Hey there. Today, we're going to make zesty herb marinated air fryer chicken breast. This chicken is so flavorful. It's juicy, it's succulent, it's perfectly golden, and it's really easy to make. Let's get started. First, add your ingredients to a bowl or a zip-top bag. We're going to start with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm also adding in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano or rosemary. Now you could use fresh herbs if you have them on hand, but these are just as good. And of course we're going to season with salt and pepper. And if you like a little bit of sweetness, a pinch of brown sugar can also be added. Whisk this all together, and then add your chicken breasts. Make sure they're coated really well with that marinade. If you like, you can even add a little more of the oil from the bowl. Get those chicken breasts coated and then place them in the fridge. At least 30 minutes, but really 2 hours if you have the time. It's going to be so worth it. While that's marinating, go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 182 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Once it's preheated, go ahead and wipe it out. We're ready to cook our chicken. Place your chicken in the air fryer basket. Make sure it's in a single layer and not overlapping. And air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, you're going to flip the chicken and then continue to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the thickest part of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Once it's finished cooking, let the chicken rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This is going to help lock in those juices and keep the chicken wall-to-wall medium. We don't want to overcook our chicken. Remember, medium is best. Internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius is what we're shooting for. This marinade is so flavorful, it's savory, it's got a little bit of temps from the balsamic vinegar and the lemon juice. The herbs are nice and fresh, and the garlic and onion powder adds some nice savory depth. The chicken is juicy, it's succulent, it's perfectly golden, and it's really easy to make. And if you're wondering what to serve with this chicken, I have lots of ideas. How about some roasted vegetables? Maybe some mashed potatoes, corn on the cob, some rice, a nice green salad. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please drop me a comment and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.